I'm just gonna go over how I customize one of the Oh My ZSH themes. I also kind of want to try to make my own theme just by copying the one that exists here. Looking at, if you go to your Oh My ZSH folder, let me do an ls. It's in Oh My ZSH, and there's going to be a themes folder, and that's all where all the themes live. So I just have this open in VS Code right now. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to say this is, I'm going to rename this dev unstuck. And then I'm going to just replace this, and then that's the whole change. Dev unstuck. There we go. So now, if I switch the theme to dev unstuck, I should. So I'm gonna go to ZSH, and if I switch my theme to equals dev unstuck, and I do ZSH, and then I should get that new theme. And the reason I want this prompt is so that I can make videos with a relevant prompt name, and it's clear that this is a dev unstuck related video. In my case, I really just I just want to be able to run a command and then get a prompt with like a static username dev unstuck, but then I also don't have a username dev unstuck on this Mac. So I could have made this a theme, but I prefer to put it in the bash RC. If we look at my bash profile, which is where I have this this function defined. So this is the actual function. This is the prompt which I did not come up with. I got that from here, Dark Blood CSH theme. So if you take a look at that theme, you'll see that it has a prompt. I just wanted just this prompt, and then I went in and I updated the part that referred to the username, and made that static dev unstuck. So that's actually what you will see here, is that I've updated the prompt so that it's the same, but then it just has the static text dev unstuck. So every time I run this function, it'll actually look, it's a naive looking for functions that are only defined with parentheses, and then unset those functions, because most themes that define functions will use this sort of format. Let me actually just demo this. The themes are set using the ape environment variable. You would go ZSH theme. I mean, so you know what theme you're currently using. So if I switch to the bureau theme, there's going to be a bunch of functions defined by this theme. And that's what this does, is just looks for those. The current ZSH theme in this case will be bureau, and you can see that the convention is to name the file .zsh theme. So if I run grep for that, I have to probably do an export here. Yeah, okay, so now I can test this grep. So these are all the functions that are defined in the bureau theme. Obviously, you know, this fails for functions that are defined a bit differently, but it will work in most cases. So once you have all those functions, you can unset them, and once you unset those functions, then you can just only change the prompt, because that's all I cared about for this particular example. Keep coding if you're having fun, and obviously not just coding, but learning and all the stuff around it. It's coding is just a small part of software development. So but it can be fun. See you in the next one. Bye.